Okay friends, it's time to get started on our job. Let's make our way to the rear bumper with a screwdriver. I'm going to carefully come in along the side here and try to get in between this assembly and the bumper itself. I'll press in a little bit hard and then I'm going to try to pry it apart. Once you have it starting to separate, you can either come from the other side and try to press that, or other times you can gently grab onto it and just pull it right out of position. Now that we have that pulled out of there, let's grab onto the wiring harness along the back here and the plate light assembly. I'm going to try to twist this counterclockwise and separate the two. There it is, friends. All right, now we can go ahead and put in our brand new plate lamp assembly. Have a look at the back side. You can see that it has 4 cutouts. And if you were to look at the back side, you'll find that it has 4 prongs that are supposed to line up, fit in, and then you turn it clockwise to lock it in. Get this lined up, twist it, lock it in, give it a wiggle. Now when you place this in, you want to make sure you have the clear area facing towards where your license plate would be. It wouldn't make any sense to put it in backwards and it's shining back at the person behind you. Let's go ahead and line this up, press it in, listen for a couple of clicks. Give it a wiggle to make sure it's completely secured. After that, go ahead and test it and make sure it functions properly. Thanks for watching.